Site 6, the Southbank beach. Okay, albeit a very small beach. We are straight across from QT. There's the Goodwill Bridge and the auditorium, and this is our site. So we're going from this line I've drawn in the sand here, across and then up, and then I'll go up there in a second. So a lot of very interesting elements here. So that is the sort of southern extent of the site. Just take it from where this little inset warning sign is, and then just cut straight across up to the light element there under the tree. So measure this up, draw it all up. Let's understand how all these materials are put together, why they're selected in the first place, what problems they're having with maintenance. There's obviously some heritage elements here. Be careful if you go down the bottom here. Obviously try and work out the tides, come at a low tide. Come here at night as well, and just see how the site is actually working. There'll be a few things that will only reveal themselves at night. So we've got some precast elements here, which are the main steps, with the relief text cast in, artworks, time and tide. We've got part of the original Southbank structure, and the seating in this instance is pretty straightforward. So as far as actually detailing an element, we would be looking at this seating element over here where these folks are sitting. So the extent of the site here goes to this point here. So we've got this curved seating element, and so this is the most northern extent of the site. And then we would be just cutting straight back here to that light pole and back down to where I was standing before. So a lot of elements. Have a good look at how this seating element is put together. You've got to detail that up at a greater level of detail than the rest of it. The planting, the tree, locate that. You can just locate the drip line of that. The lighting. Speculate on what's happening with the services here as far as, you know, what's happening underground. Speculate on what's happening with the retaining wall. Look at all the different materials that are used on the ground surface. So obviously be careful here. Keep this sort of fairly schematic, the retaining wall. Obviously you can't, you don't have x-ray vision. So quite a different variety of different materials here. We've got these cobbles of granite. We've got the concrete. We've got some looks like stainless steel elements there, and then we've got a ubiquitous drink fountain. So draw that up as well. Okay, that's site 6.